Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee and looking for brand new custom construction? Today we're in Green Hills, just south of downtown Nashville, looking at a beautiful home. This really could be for someone who already lives here in Nashville but is ready to get a little bit more space, get some more square footage in their house, have a yard, just a peaceful backyard here as you can see. Keep that in mind if you're on the fence about purchasing right now with the interest rates higher. You can avoid the multiple offer competition, and you can also ask for some things from the builders and sellers. So keep that in mind. You know, if you're moving here or you're moving, reach out to us, fill out that questionnaire in the description, and we'll get back with you. Can't wait to meet you. Let me tell you a little more about this house here. So this one's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 4,275 square feet, listed at 2.099900, just under 2.1 million. So I love both back porches on this home, just private in the backyard. The front yard here, so you are behind another house here. The main street is in front of that house that we're looking at right now. I actually like this spot better because that house blocks out all the noise from the road there. It's kind of a busy road that blocks it out, and it's just extremely peaceful through here. But love the big windows. That office in the front has a lot of light coming in. Large oversized closets in every bedroom, and just I love the layout of this one. I love that the owner suite is on the main level. You have a great bonus room upstairs, and then again that porch up there is just absolutely beautiful. That's where I would be most days. So hope you enjoy the tour. Let's go check it out. All right, what did you think about this beautiful home in Green Hills? I'm ending with my favorite spot in the house. I love how peaceful it is back here. So this one, your home was built behind another house, which is actually a good thing because you don't hear the traffic on that road. That's kind of a busy road that we're off of, but you can't hear the traffic back here. Very peaceful, very quiet. They did a great job with this deck. Location wise, you cannot beat this area in Green Hills. You're close to everything Green Hills has to offer. You're also close to Radnor Park. So if you want to go hiking and, take your dog and your family there, I mean, it's a great spot. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this home. Comment below, let me know what you think. And again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next home right here in Middle Tennessee. So fill out that questionnaire in the description and my team and I will get back with you. Can't wait to meet you. See you next time on The Nashville Life. Later.